Nutrition for brain health, foods and habits that support cognitive function. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of brain health and its impact on cognitive function. Nutrition plays a critical role in supporting brain health and cognitive function. A well-balanced diet, rich in certain nutrients, and healthy habits can help maintain and even enhance cognitive function. Here are some foods and habits that can support brain health. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Foods for brain health. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, trout, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function and can help improve cognitive function. 2. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are packed with antioxidants that help protect the brain from oxidative stress and may improve memory. 3. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are good sources of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that support brain health. 4. Dark leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that may help slow cognitive decline. 5. Turmeric. Curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 6. Avocado. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which promote healthy blood flow and help lower blood pressure. It's also a good source of vitamin K and folate, which are beneficial for cognitive function. 7. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, contains antioxidants, including flavonoids, which may improve cognitive function, enhance mood, and promote better blood flow to the brain. However, it's essential to consume dark chocolate in moderation due to its calorie content. Habits for brain health. 1. Regular exercise. Physical activity improves blood flow to the brain, promotes the growth of new neurons, and enhances cognitive function. Aim for a mix of aerobic and strength training exercises. 2. Adequate sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for memory consolidation and overall brain health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. 3. Mental stimulation. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, such as puzzles, reading, learning a new skill, or playing brain-training games. 4. Stress management. Chronic stress can negatively impact brain health. Practice stress reduction techniques like mindfulness, meditation, or yoga to keep stress levels in check. 5. Social interaction. Maintaining social connections and engaging in meaningful social activities can help keep your brain active and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. 6. Balanced diet. A well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods provides the necessary vitamins and minerals for brain health. 7. Hydration. Staying properly hydrated is essential for maintaining brain function. Dehydration can impair cognitive abilities, so drink an adequate amount of water daily. 8. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can harm brain health. Moderate or eliminate these habits to protect your cognitive function. Remember that overall dietary patterns are important for brain health. The Mediterranean diet and the Mind diet, which emphasize many of the foods mentioned above, have been associated with improved cognitive function and reduced risk of cognitive decline. It's also a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance on nutrition for brain health. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.